For all surfaces are smooth, the acceleration of mass relative to the wedge. See, here is given by this in a wedge of mass capital M and its mass is small m. Okay, its inclined is theta, inclination of angle is theta, is moved with an acceleration e. Now its weight is resolved to rectangular component mg and mg cos theta, and this is the mg sin theta. And this acceleration also can be resolved, that is here acting of a tension and here acting of ma cos theta, ma cos theta. Then the surface, the acceleration is equal to the resultant force, resultant force F is equal to opposite sides of ma cos theta plus mg sin theta. From Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. M will be taken as common, a cos theta plus g sin theta, and mm gets cancelled. A equal to a cos theta plus g sin theta. When the wedge can be moving, this is the direction. The acceleration of the body is moving, this is the direction. That time the acceleration a cos theta plus g sin theta. Next question number 71. A body of mass m is equal to 60 kg is pushed up. See, this is the body and this is the pushing of the force is F. With just the force start to move the rough surface with a nu s is equal to 0.5 and nu k 0.4, and the force, the continuous after that, this is the force is continuous moving, this is the direction. The what is the acceleration of a body? Acceleration of body A is equal to nu s minus nu k into g, and here the g is equal to 9.8. So 0.5 minus 0.4 into 9.8, that is equal to 0.1 into 9.8, that is equal to 0.98 meter per second square. The next, the question number 77. Two block masses 4 kg and 2 kg are connected by the AB string. See, this is the horizontal surface. Now here the first body having the 4 kgs and connect with the string, with another one is the 2 kgs. String, the place at a rough horizontal surface, the 2 kg block is pulled with a constant force. The 2 kg block is pulled a constant force is the F. The coefficient of friction between the block and the ground, that is given by the 0.5. What is the value of F? The tension in the string, the throughout the during. Here we can find out the tension in a string, and tension T is equal to how much? And we can G is equal is given by the 10 meter per second square. The tension in a string, that is the T is equal to M into nu into M1 plus M2 into G. Right here the T is equal to nu is equal to how much is given by the here the 0.5. M1 is equal is given by 4 plus 2 into 10. That is equal to 0.5 into 6 into 10. That is equal to 30 newtons. Next, question number 80. Two trolleys mass m and 3m are connected by a spring. This is the first trolley. So this is the second trolley. This is the connected by a spring. Connected by a spring and moves in opposite direction. This is the first direction, this is the second direction. And distance come to the rest. This is S1. We come to the distance in the rest in a S2. Respectively, the frictional force between the trolley and surface in the smooth cases, the ratio of S1 by S2 is equal to. We know that work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. change in kinetic energy. See, the W is equal to kinetic energy. But we know the relation between the kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. Now we can say the work is equal to, we know that force into displacement P square by 2m. The displacement is inversely proportional to mass. The ratio S1 by S2 is equal to M2 by M1. Here is given by the M1 is equal to M, M2 is equal to 3m. Now substitute here the S1 by S2 is equal to 3m by m. Now it's cancelled. S1 by S2 is equal to 3:1. The next question number 85. A vehicle of mass m, the move on a rough horizontal road with momentum p. If the coefficient of friction between the tires and road is new, the coefficient of friction is the tires and road is new, the what is the stopping of the distance? What is the stopping of the distance? And momentum is given by a p. We know that the work is equal to, work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. Now substitute the work is equal to P square by 2m. The work is equal to force into displacement P square by 2m. The frictional force F is equal to nu k into N, and N is equal to M into G. Now substitute the F into nu k into mg, nu k into mg into S is equal to P square by 2m. And we can find the displacement S is equal to, so then we can write that S is equal to P square by 2m into remaining time is taken the nu k into m into g, that is equal to P square by 2m square nu k into g. A coin is kept a distance of 10 centimeter from the center of a circular table. This is a circular table. Here will be coin can be placed 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. The coefficient of friction mu is equal is given 0.8. The frequency rotation with the coin just being the slip. The frequency is nothing but a rotation per minute. We can find omega is equal to the root of nu s into g by r radian per second, because of omega angular frequency per second. But 1 radian per second is equal to 2 pi by 60 into rpm. 1 rpm is equal to 60 by 2 pi into radian per second. Now we can substitute the omega is equal to under root of the nu s is given by the 0.8 into g is equal to, the g is we can take in a 9.8, and r is equal to 10 into 10 power of minus 2 into 60 by 2 pi. Now we are getting this answer is 84.54 rpm. The next, see the question number 96. Question number 96. The horizontal force 10 newtons is necessary just to hold the block. See, this is the wall and this is the block, and now this is the hold of this block by the 10 newtons we can force applied by that. The coefficient of friction here is given nu is equal to 0.2. The what is the weight of the block? See here the frictional force F is equal to m into g, and F is equal to nu k into N, that is equal to m into g, and here is given by the N nu k into, and force is given by the 0.2 into 10 is equal to m into g, and that is equal to 2 newtons is equal to mg. Next, see the question number 106. Question number 106. A body takes 1 by third times, 1 into 1 by third of times much time the slide down the rough inclined plane. As is take the slide down identical smooth inclined plane at an angle of 45 degrees. Find the coefficient of friction. See, this is the inclined plane. This is a number of n is equal to, we take the 3 plus 4 by 3 is equal to n, and here say the we know the formula, the time in rough is equal to n times of time in smooth. Then we know the formula for the time of rough is equal to T is equal to tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. Here is given by the theta is equal to 45 degrees. Then we can apply the tan of 45 degrees into 1 minus n is equal to how much is there here? The 4 by 3 whole square, that is equal to 1 into 1 minus 9 by 16. Take here the LCM 1. 16 minus 9 by 16, that is equal to 7 by 16. The next it is the last one question. So 119. A centripetal force is required. The mass is given by the 1000 kgs. The car that takes turn of the radius r is equal to 50 meters. The speed v is equal to 36 kmph. Now we say that kilometer per hour is converted to meter per second, 5 by 80. Now is the 2 times, that's v is equal to 10 meter per second. This is the formula, F is equal to mv square by r. M is equal to 1000 and velocity v is equal to 10 whole square by r is equal to 50. That is equal to 1000 into 100 by 50. 50 how many times are that? 2. 2 into 1000, that is equal to 2000 newtons for the force.